Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I just want to show you how I create the smooth slow motion in your video. Guys, this smooth slow motion, it will gonna help you how to create the super slow motion in your video, music video, commercial, and other different kinds of video. Guys, as you see here, I have two different clips, but it is the same clip on the same song. Okay, so this is the first one and then this is the second one, because I just want to show you the different ways you can make the smooth slow motion. Guys, before first you make this smooth slow motion, you have to know this. You have to ask your question first. So what the frame rate I use for making better smooth slow motion? So first let me see the frame rate I use for shooting this video. Okay, so I go here on the sequence setting here, guys, and then you click on it, and then you see on this time based I have 25 frame rate per second. It means the second of my clip, 1 second, is equal to 25 frames. Okay, so better, guys, when you have the camera which has like a 60 frame or to up 100 frame rate per second, it can be better. So that's the good way how you can set the good frame rate if you want to make the smooth slow motion. Okay, let me press OK here, guys. So let me see the first way. So the first way, guys, for example, I just want to make the slow motion between these two clips. Okay, so my slow motion to be started by here, for example. So and then I have to press on C on keyboard for cut, and yeah, it will be ended by here, and then I press C again, and then you press V to bring the selective tool. Okay, so and I'm going to make the slow motion of this clip. You right click on it, and then you go here on speed duration. So let me give like 30, yes, let me give like 30 or 40, yes, speed of 40, and then you press OK. Guys, when you play like this, you see your slow motion is not looking good. Okay, so it's not, let me add this one too. You see, guys, there is some things which is not looking better, guys. Okay, so you have to do this, and then right click, and then you come back here on this speed duration, and then you have, for this time interpretation, you have to choose this optical flow, and then you press OK. So after pressing OK, so you see, guys, my line, it becomes red. So now first I'm going to render my clip. Okay, so now you press on enter, and let me wait just a few seconds. Okay, and then I have to pray, and let me see how it is. Alright, guys, so now when the render is done, so let me first delete clear in and out, and then let me pray. You see, guys, my line, it becomes green. So when your line becomes red, guys, you have to render fast, because your clip or your PC is gonna running slow. Okay, so you have to render fast, and then you see how your clip it is. So now let me first play, and let me see how it is. Okay, guys, now you see how this slow motion is looking better, guys. This is so nice. Okay, this is, guys, how you can create this smooth slow motion, guys. Okay, so and let's jump on for this second clip too. Okay, let me see the second way you can use. Okay, so you see, guys, for this second clip, so you have to right click on it, and then you go here on this show clip keyframes, go here on time remapping, and then go here on speed. Okay, so when you try to extend this clip, you see there is some lines here which you see. Okay, this is where, this is the line which is going to help you to create this slow motion, right? So and I have to add pen tool here, right, and then okay, and then I'm going to add like point here. Okay, you see the point what I got, and let me come back here for this selective tool, and then I have to move down this line like this. Okay, so and first let me extend this point to here. There is 2 points. Okay, you see guys how this point it is, and for this point I can smooth just a few little bit, something like this. Okay, so when you pray guys, you see the slow motion is over there guys, but and you have to know this. So before you finish this smooth slow motion, and you have to right click again, and then you go here and go time interpretation. Make sure this it is in optical flow when you pray guys, and I can see how it is guys. You see directly the line, it becomes red. So first let me render the place where what I want to play on. Okay, so let me render just a few frames, and then I have to wait just a few little bits. Okay, guys, and then you see the place which I render, it becomes the green. Okay, so it means let me pray this, and let me see how it is. When you pray guys, you see your slow motion guys is going smoothly, right? Okay guys, this is the 2 ways which you can use for making this smooth slow motion guys. And then if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what do you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and then see you in next video. Peace.